Hello there, and welcome to the Sugar Vixen channel. My name is Nisha, and today we're going to be baking up another delicious sweet treat. So I will tell you guys, lately I have been trying to choose a little more health conscious, delicious recipes, and so today is another one. We are going to be making some peanut butter bars, which are super delicious and easy to make. It only takes 4 ingredients. So I'm going to be showing you that in a moment. If you haven't already, please go ahead and join the Patreon page. The link is below in the description box. So we're going to be using peanut butter, oat flour, maple syrup, and some melting chocolate. So this is a dark chocolate. Okay, so we're gonna start off with 1 cup of peanut butter. Make sure you buy the salted peanut butter because of course that's gonna make our peanut butter bars just taste that much better. But if you happen to not have salted peanut butter, you can also use unsalted, but you're gonna have to add a little bit of salt to your mixture. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add 3/4 of the oat flour and 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup and 1 tablespoon. So 1/4 and 1 tablespoon. Okay. All right, so once you mix the mixture well, you're gonna get an 8 by 8 baking dish, and you're gonna press the mixture into the baking dish. And I put a little bit of parchment paper at the bottom of our pan, so hopefully it'll stay. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the whole mixture and just plop it in there to hold down this parchment paper. We're gonna press it down evenly on the bottom of our 8 by 8 baking dish. And the reason why I use parchment paper is just because it's less cleanup, and you know, if anything's okay, so our mixture is now nicely pressed into our baking dish. I have my melting chocolate, a 1/2 cup of peanut butter, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my melting chocolate into my peanut butter. I'm going to microwave this for about, I say 30-second intervals, not 30 minutes, but 30-second intervals. Okay, and every 30 seconds, you want to take it out and give it a stir. It's actually almost nice and melty by the end of that 30 seconds. But I think I'm going to leave it in for about 15 more seconds just to get it nice and smooth so we can pour it on easily. Right, so I'm gonna give it a stir. Okay, it's nice and melted. I'm gonna make sure that the chocolate and the peanut butter is well combined. I'm just gonna kind of spread it around while I'm pouring it, and then after I pour it, I'm gonna smooth it down. And the thing I love about this recipe is that it tastes legit like a peanut butter cup, but without all those additives and weird ingredients, and it's healthy. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to smooth it around. So you want an even layer, because when it cools down, you want to be able to easily cut it. So I'm gonna make sure that there is chocolate all around. And it smells so delicious. I don't want to see any peanut butter layer. Just a nice. Now we're gonna either put this in the refrigerator for about an hour, or you can put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the freezer just so that it can settle and set more quickly, and then we will see.